Hello everyone, so here's a quick overview how to start a new whiteboard meeting on Zoom on iPad. So here is Zoom app on iPad. I'm signed in and then I can just go to new meeting, and then here I can just tap new whiteboard and then I will start a new whiteboard meeting on iPad. So which can be super cool. So for example, here I can already draw some stuff. I can change the color. I can, let me see what else I can do. I can use eraser. So, and a lot of other features. I can use magic thingy. I can just type text. I can then just select all of it. So kind of super cool. And then I can just save to photos on new whiteboard. And then I can just delete it as well. So super cool feature. It's available on Zoom app on iPad. Of course, I think you can add a whiteboard on other devices. I think so, but on iPad you will have that right from the start.